The Orion Motor Tech 52-in-1 toolset stands out as a highly versatile kit, giving you a huge range of bushing and bearing driver combinations for different automotive jobs. Its closely stepped disc sizes cover most common suspension, wheel, and transmission applications, so you can match components precisely instead of improvising with the wrong size. The long handle and guided shaft make installing and removing bearing races and seals more controlled, which helps you work faster while reducing the chance of damaging parts. Built from tough carbon steel with a protective coating, the pieces feel solid in hand and are clearly designed to tolerate repeated use in a busy garage. A sturdy molded case with individual slots keeps every disc and adapter organized, making it easy to find the size you need and preventing pieces from getting lost. For home mechanics and professional technicians alike, this set effectively replaces a drawer full of improvised drivers with a single organized solution that handles a wide variety of press-fit tasks.